Everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the snake pattern on the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So it's kind of like it goes all around the cube, and so it is kind of, it's a medium long algorithm. So let's do it. So the first move is the left side down, next the top side clockwise, the back side this way, next the top face anti-clockwise, next the right side up, next the left side up, next the back face this way, next the right hand side down, next the front face clockwise, next the back face so it's the back face anti-clockwise, so this way. Next it's the bottom face clockwise, next the right face up, the bottom face anti-clockwise, and the front face anti-clockwise. And there you go, you have your snake going all around the cube over and over and over and over again. So that's it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.